Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you my DNA results. I did it with the family tree DNA, FTDNA. So we will find out about my origins. I'm from North Africa, from Algeria exactly. So before, I never thought I would have any origins from besides North Africa, because I'm Berber, Amazigh from Algeria. So I'm curious to find out more about my origins and my exact ethnicity. Let's see here. I go to my origins. Let's find out. Wow. You see these colors? You see the map here? It shows the places where my origins come from. So here, the North Africa, which is I'm from here, from Algeria, but still I have origins from Italy, Greece, and somewhere from Turkey, well, and Eastern Europe as well, Poland, Ukraine. Let's see here. Here it shows the percentages that I have. North Africa, I have 66%. That's cool. It's an interesting percentage. North Africa, which means Berbers, Amazigh from Algeria, Morocco, and Tunisia, all around these countries. That's North Africa, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya as well. So I'm mostly from North Africa, which is cool. I have a little percentage from Asia Minor, which is this green area here. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, from here, from Turkey, I have like 3%, which is cool. I never thought I have origins from Turkey, wow. And European, I have 21%, which is exactly Southeast Europe, which means Italy and Greece and Italy, Southeast Europe. That's cool. So I have like 21% from South Europe, which is good. I know that. I expected to have certain percentage from Europe, cause as you know, Algeria, it's close to Europe, so I I mean I'm not that shocked, so that's cool. Let's see. I do have 7% of Jewish, Ashkenazi Jewish from Eastern Europe, from Poland and Ukraine, all these countries, Eastern Europe. That's cool. So now finally I know where I am. What's my ethnicities? But in general, um, I'm pretty much, as you can see here, I'm pretty much North African, 66%. I don't know why they put North Africa, which is here, with the Middle Eastern as the Middle Eastern countries, which is not right, because North Africa, it's North Africa. It's not Middle East. Middle East, it's here. Those countries here. Africa, it's not Middle East. I don't know why. I think it's a mistake from this company, which is, I hope they're gonna fix it, because North Africa, it's separate from the Middle East. But other than that, I like my results. Thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna love this video, uh, and have a nice one. Bye.